Okay guys, so right before me is Amazon stock. So first of all, we'll look for our liquidity zone. You can already see it on the chart. So I'll pull out my liquidity zone and draw it like this. So I hope you can see that. So that is my liquidity zone. So where is price headed? So price is going to come, is trying actually to come for this zone. So price will come here, have a rebound, and then surge to the upward trajectory. So this is what's going to happen in Amazon or to Amazon stock. So you can see a weekend here. There's another weekend action here. There is a breakout here, and then there will be a possible retest here. Then after that retest, price will go up. So for the entry and the exit level, please visit the description section of this channel to get the entry and the exit level for Amazon stock. So is Amazon a buy now? No, it is not a buy right now. You have to wait for it to come to this liquidity zone first. You have to wait for price to come to this liquidity zone. Liquidity zone first. Then you now buy at this zone, and then you ride with the price up. So for the entry and the exit level, please visit the comment section of this channel to get the price at which to enter and the price at which to exit. But trust me, if you enter at this zone, you are going to leave with a 200+% profit from Amazon. So guys, visit the comment section and get that entry and exit range. So thank you so much. Amazon is a great company. I love it so much. So you invest and you make that money. So visit the comment section. And if you have found value in this video, from this channel, please don't fail to go over other videos I've actually put out on this channel. Go over them, you'll see different analysis. Please go over them, watch them, and pick any of those stocks or crypto coins and make a kill of it. These signals are sure proof signals. They are sure proof signals. And secondly, if you have gained value from these analysis, please don't fail to go down and click on the like button. Don't fail to click on the share button so that others can also get to learn what you're learning. Others can also get the opportunity to invest like you and I. And also go to the comment section, drop your questions, drop your impressions, and just anything you want to add. Or if there be any stock or crypto coin you want me to analyze, please go there and drop it in the comment section. Let's make it engaging, guys, and let's make this money. Thank you, guys.